MBA in Australia. Australia is one amongst the top study destinations for international students. In most of the universities, the duration of the MBA program is 2 years. Apart from this, a lot of universities have started offering 1 year MBA programs. Fees of MBA in Australia. The average cost for a MBA from a reputed university is 30 lakhs, and for the best universities it is even higher. Eligibility for MBA in Australia. Candidates must have completed a bachelor's degree in any field from a recognized university. Students need to secure a good IELTS, that is International English Language Testing Standard score for getting the Australian visa. The students can also opt to take the PTE exam or TOEFL exam instead. Students who do not meet the English language requirements can pursue ELICOS, that is English Language Intensive Courses for overseas students. Although it is not mandatory, but having work experience of at least 2-3 years definitely proves to be advantageous for aspirants. Most of the Australian universities and colleges accept GMAT score for giving admission to pursue the MBA program. Average GMAT score for getting admission in an Australian university is 590. Marksheet of standard 10 and 12 and a provisional certificate with marksheet of bachelor's degree is a necessity. A statement of purpose or personal essay is required mentioning career goals, interests, extracurricular activities, and why the student has chosen the particular stream and how he or she will manage financially during the stay in Australia. Letter of recommendation and a good CV is another requirement. The NUSRA list is an important factor to apply to Australian universities. The NUSRA list is issued by the National Office of Overseas Skill Recognition. The recognition of foreign education institutions could be a concern for students wanting to study in Australia. It is a process where your credentials are evaluated and your level of education is compared with the Australian education system. It is a fee-based service which is conducted by a government body. Top universities. The best universities in Australia for MBA are University of New South Wales, Melbourne Business School, University of Technology, Sydney, University of Queensland, Macquarie Graduate School of Management. So that's it for today. If you found the video informative, do subscribe to our channel.